there, welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and today we're going to be making a fantastic vegan frittata. Frittatas are a wonderful breakfast, lunch, or dinner thing to have.
Or brunch.
Or brunch. And I've always loved frittatas, and I think that this is probably one of my best recipes. The first step that we have to do?
I don't know.
The first step that we have to do for making this frittata is we have to take 450 grams of medium firm tofu and we have to mash it up. I'm going to start with a fork, but I might end up resorting to using my fingers, which will probably happen very soon. So with clean fingers, mash up the tofu in much smaller pieces. Okay, so this is fairly mashed up. Now what I'm going to add, again, blending it with my fingers, it's just the easiest way to do it, is half a cup of nutritional yeast, a tablespoon of tomato paste, 1.5 tablespoons of tamari, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric. And now just blend it all up again with the fingers. All right, that is just about blended up. Now I'm going to head over to the stove and start sauteing the vegetables. In a large saucepan, heat up 2 teaspoons, that's about right, of olive oil. Okay, so I'm just going to check to see if the oil is hot. I'm just going to splatter a little bit of water. Yep, oil's nice and hot, it's sizzling. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of chopped kale, 1/2 cup of green onions, sliced, 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, chopped. Those are the sun-dried tomatoes that are packed in oil. 1/4 cup of chopped Kalamata olives with obviously the pits removed. And 3 cloves of chopped garlic. I'm just going to stir that around and I'm going to saute it for about 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add the tofu mixture and I'm going to stir it all together. All right, so that is all mixed up. I'm now going to put it into my oiled pie plate. I have a stoneware pie plate that I use. It goes yellow just from the oil sinking in, so it's nice and seasoned. Okay, so I'm transferring it into the pie plate. Everything's now in the pie plate, and I'm just going to press it down with a spatula until it is nice and compressed. All right, now I'm going to put it in the oven. I've heated the oven to 400 degrees, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes is up, and here it is. A fantastic vegan frittata. I'm just going to wait for 20 minutes and let it cool before cutting into it.
Let's try this thing.
Here it is.
Oh my God. This is the best thing you make. Oh my God, I can pick it off the table. Letty, would you like some? No. Oh, come here, sweetie. Oh. She's like, let me out. Oh my God.
Would you say it's Rockstar quality?
It is. It's Rockstar quality.
Rockstar quality.
It is Rockstar quality.
Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that you all give this fantastic frittata a try. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the little bell for to be notified for new weekly recipes. Thanks.